municipality of Sultan Barongis' lowland. Thus it became a catch basin of the adjoining rivers of Kapingquang and Ala. From June 6, 2019 Thursday, continuous rainstorm caused by the IPS or Intertropical Convergence Zone resulted to floodings. At least 12 barrios are currently smashed by this water upsurge flooding. The next stated barrios are the heavily affected by the flooding, such as Barrio Enga Karyamat, Barra, Bled, Darampua, Gadungan, Clambog, Langapanan, Masulat, Patpakan, Puldan, Tukanakudan, and Tuggle. A total of 6,301 families said to directly affected by this flooding.
Please click subscribe button for more videos. Thanks.